Hello viewers, in this video how to fix Facebook marketplace not showing. Okay, let's see how to fix it. At first go to your Play Store, tap on search option, search for Facebook, tap on Facebook update is available. Okay, let's see home screen, then open your Facebook app, tap on profile icon menu, scroll down little bit, tap on setting on privacy, tap on setting, scroll down little bit, tap on tab bar, tap on customize the bar, scroll down. Now see here under the games and marketplace. Now click on hidden option, marketplace, click on pinned, go back to home screen and refresh it, close on, or now restart your device and reopen Facebook app on your device. Now see here marketplace option. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.